Hi everyone, and welcome to part 2 of Module 4 Unit 2 with area computation using the triangulation method. There are several ways in which we could compute an area of a triangle. First up is this one, the known base altitude, or simply your most basic formula in computing area of a triangle or a three-sided polygon, that is 1/2 base times height. As shown in this figure, you'll have the base and the height of a triangle as it was identified. Then the second one is your using two sides and included angle measured, such as an included angle as shown in this figure, where a triangle having an angle of alpha between point A and point B, such as known side yung distance ni A at yung distance ni B. Your formula for this particular triangle is simply as 1/2 AB sine angle or sine alpha. Then the last one, or one of the most common types of triangle that you'll encounter in computing lot area or computing lot area, especially when it comes to three-sided polygon and surveying information or survey data. Most of the survey data has a irregular triangle or assume and identified irregular triangles, which is the three-sided measured, or three sides are measured, such as the area is computed as follow, where the square root of s times s minus a times s minus b times s minus c, such as s is simply 1/2 of the perimeter of the triangle. Most of the time, ang nakukompute natin or na-identify nating type of triangle is this kind of irregular triangle, where three sides of the triangle of the three-sided polygon are known using, of course, conventional methods such as your compass rule and transit rule in identifying that equivalent closing line or that equivalent closing line's course length. Let us try to use this type of computations or methods in solving this particular example. So in this example, the sides of a triangle ABC, so basically three-sided polygon na po siya. The sides of a triangle ABC are measured as follows, where line AB is 129.26 meters, line BC or course BC is 258.73 meters, and course AC or line AC is 211.25 meters. We are asked to calculate the area in square meter. Take note, known na yung three sides of the triangle. So anong gagamitin nating formula? That is basically the third consideration, or the third area computation of a triangle, which is this one. Let us draw first our triangle. Line AB, that is line AB, 129.26 meters. Don't worry dun sa angle, hindi naman na-specify ni problem. Later on, meron tayong example that will have to solve involving bearings and azimuths or course length of a line. Line BC is 211. Tama ba? Line BC. Line BC is 258. 58.73 meters, and line AC is simply 211.25 meters. So with that in mind, nakuha na natin yung figure natin of the triangle. So we have already known that the formula that we're going to use is the third one, where the three sides are measured or identified, as shown in this figure. Solution, let us first solve for the perimeter half, or the S value, such as the half of the total perimeter of the triangle. 1/2 of the total perimeter of the triangle. Ano yung perimeter natin? Line A is AB, which is 129.26. BC, AC is 211.25 plus the last one is 258.73. 0.73, then sum mo lang yan, then divided by 2, your S value is basically equal to 299.62 meters. Now, computing for the total area of this triangle, that is basically your third formula, which is S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C, such as A is simply equal to the square root of the computed S perimeter, that is 299.62 times 299.62 minus A, which is your 129.26 times 299.62 minus 211.25, then 299.62 minus 258.73 will give us the total area of the triangle as equal to 13,580.951 square meter. Verify na lang sa inyong mga sariling calculator. But how about if the problem asks you to identify the total area of the triangle in hectares? So most of the time, ang makikita nating configurations are expressed in hectares. So that is basically area in terms of square meter, that is 1,580. 1,580 pala. 13,580. 13,580.951 square meter. How many square meter in 1 hectare? That is basically 10,000 square meter. So you'll have a total area of the triangle in terms of hectares equal to 1.358 hectares. Malaki po yan na area. So that is the area computation using triangulation method. But how about applying this area computation method in terms of the surveyed data? So that will be our next example for part 3 of module 4 unit 2. Bye bye.